Hello beautiful people, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. Today we are going to make this elegant yet simple to make bracelet. I hope that you will love this tutorial and will definitely try to make this bracelet at home. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. And as you know, my channel is new here on YouTube. Your one subscription will really help me a lot in growing out my channel on this platform. So do hit that subscribe button so that I can bring amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. And now let's get started. Pearl beads. These are a little bit off-white pearl beads. Then a necklace hook. Then 30 gauge wire, 28 gauge wire. Then jump ring, then scissor and pliers. So first of all, we'll make a small round of this 30 gauge wire. For that, I'm taking this fabric glue bottle as an instrument, and what we'll do is we'll take this cap, and over here I will make a wrap like this. I will make a firm wrap, and now here I will wrap it like this. Okay, so now we'll bring it out. Okay, and I'm going to cut this part. So the loop has gone, but that's okay, we'll do it now. So again, now here I'm going to make a wrap, and I'll take this part over here and we'll fold this. Take this part over here, and we'll take this part on this side. So with this you can see we have formed a proper circle, and it won't get removed immediately, and it will be fixed properly. Okay, so now we will take this 28 gauge wire, and I have taken small part of this, and we'll wrap it anywhere. First we will wrap a small part like this, and again I will take a fabric glue. Again I will take this plier, and we'll make sure that I'm wrapping this firmly. Now I'm going to add this pearl bead in this wire. So first I'll add only one pearl bead, and then I will wrap. I'll take it to another side over here, and then we'll wrap it. And then, as this is a freestyle pattern, we'll wrap them anywhere. So now I'm taking this wire over here. So first I'll insert one bead, and then I will wrap it around over here. So like you can wrap it anywhere. Okay. And now I will take this wire from here to here, and then we'll wrap. Okay. And now again I will add one pearl bead, to this side I'll make a wrap. Okay. So similarly we have to fill this whole circle with these beads and wire. So I'll quickly add and go on adding, and we'll fill the circle and we'll come back to you. So guys, I have made this round circle, and this is how it looks, you can see. So to make this bracelet we need other types of circle too. So like I have made this in a rectangular or oval shape. So this will come here, and there is another one, so it will come here like this, and then there are two more circles. So one will come here, and then this will come here. So this is how our bracelet will B. So now we will just simply attach them each other. So I'm taking these jump rings and what we'll do is, so I'll start from here. So I'm taking this, we'll insert a jump ring here in this, and then I'll use the same jump ring and we'll insert it here in this, and we'll close this one. So you can see I have attached it like this. So in the same way we have to attach this all of them. So I'll quickly do to all of them and we'll come back to you. If you have any suggestions or feedback for me, do let me know in the comments below. So now we are going to attach the necklace hook to this and jump ring. So first I will take this jump ring and will insert it to any end circle. So I'll insert it in this. And again I'm going to add one more jump ring in this and we'll close this one. Now in this second jump ring I'm going to add this necklace hook. If you want you can also add lobster hook to this. It's totally up to you what is available with you and what do you want to add. Close this hook. So yeah, and now we have to add some jump rings to this side. So I'll quickly add some jump rings. So guys, you can see I have added this jump rings here and necklace hook here, and with this this beautiful necklace is ready. So and this is how it will look. So yeah, ta-da! Our bracelet is ready. Isn't it very beautiful and gorgeous bracelet? So do make this one and let me know, did you like my video, through comments and likes. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.